NACHI-FUJIKOSHI Corporation. The company that I chose, and the company that chose me. Starting today, I am participating in a new company introduction video project. I want more people to know about the company that I fell in love with. While I was job searching, I saw a video about NACHI, and I remember being surprised at how useful these products were in our daily lives. I would like to create a video that will help people understand how great NACHI is. First, I asked for advice from my seniors and decided to research the company's origins. Established in 1928 by founder Koki Imura. Aiming to domestically produce machine tools, which at the time relied on imports, he created the hacksaw as the first product. Starting with tools, NACHI began producing tools and bearing materials in-house with the goal of creating even greater products. Furthermore, NACHI started the machine tool business by producing manufacturing equipment in-house. Subsequently, it began manufacturing robots by utilizing its machine tools and hydraulic control technology. I learned the current structure, which has evolved into 8 divisions, was the very nature of the symbol of interconnectedness through divisions, and was what gave NACHI its strength as a comprehensive machinery manufacturer that is capable of integrated production starting from materials. NACHI is developing its business globally. From the 1960s, NACHI began expanding into a wide range of locations in North and South America, as well as Europe. Then into China and ASEAN countries in the 2000s. We have expanded our business by building production and sales locations around the world. By continuing to manufacture and sell high-quality products globally, NACHI will support its customers. I, for one, chose NACHI, attracted by such global vision and possibilities. NACHI, a company that continues to grow. I looked into the company's efforts to address changes in industrial structure, which are essential for future development. Automation by robots will resolve labor shortages, and collaborative robots that work alongside humans will enable production streamlining. Developing many products that support the electrification of automobiles and implementing unique technology products as part of its environmental initiatives, NACHI offers many eco-friendly products. Our hydraulic equipment for industrial machinery consumes less power, contributing to energy saving throughout the facility. By installing solar power generation systems in the offices to reduce CO2, NACHI is working proactively to achieve carbon neutrality. NACHI has focused not only on manufacturing, but also the development of the people who will lead the future, and the importance of the everyday lives and health of its employees. The founder's belief, people are the backbone of manufacturing, continues to be passed down to this day. At NACHI, the 8 unique business divisions constantly create new products through interconnectedness. I strongly believe that NACHI can continue to grow as a manufacturing company that fulfills dreams. I would like people to know more about NACHI and its efforts to grow into a company that contributes to society further, contributing to the development of global manufacturing. NACHI's strength is our 8 business divisions with their own originality working in tandem to create new products. Since we started the robot business in 1968, we have been pursuing what customers demand in automation. With a wide transportable weight lineup, from 1 to 1,000 kilograms, we are developing a product series based on high-speed, high-precision compact MZ, promoting collaboration between humans and robots, responding to customer needs, including systems and applications. With NACHI robots, we are opening up the world of manufacturing. Where it all began for NACHI is tools. Our passion for making better tools led us to produce materials and coatings in-house. That was the cue for NACHI to become the comprehensive machinery manufacturer we are today. With tools as our starting point, the development and interconnectedness of our business divisions are the driving forces behind creating entirely new tools that cannot be imitated by competitors. When tools change, manufacturing changes. Bearing technology is the symbol of NACHI's development. Our bearings, using unique materials to achieve long life and high performance by advanced grinding and heat treatment technology, were compactly designed and are used in a variety of fields, including automobiles and industrial machineries around the world, contributing to improved reliability. Rotate, support. NACHI bearings in your daily life. The history of NACHI's hydraulic products is a history of trust with our customers. Truly needed products. That's what NACHI has been creating together with our customers. In the construction machinery segment, we boast a very high market share in mini excavators. And in the general industrial machinery segment, in addition to reliability, we have a reputation among customers who choose NACHI hydraulics for energy savings. For many years to come, we will continue to further refine safe, compact, and highly functional hydraulic equipment that will create the future. Our car hydraulics division, in response to the rapidly progressing shift to EVs, is working on the electrification of products. Starting from manufacturing hydraulic devices for automobiles, we have developed with solenoid and pump technologies at its core. By leveraging electric actuator and vane pump technologies, we will expand our product lineup from parts for EVs to industrial machineries. Car hydraulics will lead the future of electrification. The division supporting NACHI's manufacturing is the Material Division. At NACHI, having our own melting furnace enables a wide variety of material manufacturing, including high-speed steel. According to the diverse needs of our customers, we have been making full use of component designs and dissolution technologies to pursue the optimal materials. Our strength as a comprehensive machinery manufacturer lies in our ability to perform integrated production starting from materials. NACHI will change the conventional theories of materials. NACHI's machine tools started with broach development and have since released into the world products that are indispensable for ever-evolving manufacturing. Maximizing our features as a comprehensive machinery manufacturer with a variety of businesses such as tools and robots, NACHI has received high valuation and trust. Abundant ideas and reliable quality. With NACHI machine tools, your manufacturing experience will expand. The high level of NACHI's Thermotech technology is proven by the quality of NACHI's products. Our vacuum degreasing machine, CleanMaster, has earned the trust of many customers. The technology, which has created vacuum carburizing furnaces, vacuum heat treatment furnaces, and coating equipment, is based on state-of-the-art surface treatment technology. Towards the realization of carbon neutrality, now is the time for NACHI's surface treatment technology. NACHI is quick to catch the needs of the times, exploring ways to evolve manufacturing from various angles, and continues to develop even at this very moment. NACHI will continue to be a comprehensive machinery manufacturer that contributes to the development of the manufacturing world as we keep pushing forward to become a manufacturing company that fulfills people's dreams.